Friends, we are so happy that you are with us, and right now I will show you how to get the new Snapchat update on your phone. So let's go to the watching. So it's not a big difference between iPhone and Android. If you want to update your Snapchat app, you just need to go to the Google Play Store or to the App Store and find your Snapchat app on the list. So I will pick on this search bar and set the Snapchat name here. Let's go to the Snapchat, and on the Android and also on iPhone we need to pick on the update K beside the name of the app and wait some minute, because your application need to set all of new afteralizations and to and to save new cool features. So guys, right now, after optimizations and update, you just need to refresh your application and use it as usual. Of course, you can find new cool tricks and options. Guys, I hope that this tutorial was useful and interesting. Don't forget about likes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because I really hope that our tutorials was interesting and helpful. So good luck, bye bye.